Hey everyone, Corey here, Chaos Customs, UTVs Unleashed, Redmond, Oregon. Today we got a fun one. We got an exhaust on a 21 Durango Hellcat. And then we're doing a JLT intake as well. But this is before, this is factory exhaust, idle. Still got a little tone, obviously, because they're like the Hellcat Durangos, but we're excited. We're doing a Borla Atak exhaust, full exhaust, and JLT intake. We'll see what she comes out. All right, got that Atak system installed. We have not finished up the intake yet. They actually sent us the wrong boot, so we just finished up the exhaust. This is the Borla Atak with stainless tips, idle. Sounds sweet. I'm not sure if the video shows it like almost ear piercing at a certain RPM there, but it sounds sweet. Yep, Borla Atak on this Durango Hellcat.